Hello, my dear students and friends. Welcome to Eloquent English classes, and this is Jyoti. Today, we are going to learn some commonly used idioms and phrases. And this is a step towards better communication skill. I have already posted many videos on how to improve our communication skill or how to speak better. I'll give the link in the description box. Do watch them all. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon for latest notifications. Share the videos with your friend, comment and like the video if you feel it is useful. So let's get started. The first one is an oily tongue, which means a flattering tone. Excessive praise to get the work done. कुछ लोग होते हैं ना जो अपना काम निकालने के लिए किसी की बहुत ज़्यादा चापलूसी करते हैं, बड़ी प्रेज करेंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेज करेंगे और प्रेज इसलिए की जाती है ताकि उनका अपना जो कोई काम है ना वो निकलवा सकें. That is an oily tongue. For example, Mohit has an oily tongue and he knows how to please his boss. So this way you can use कि Mohit is a sycophant. वो एक चापलूस है और उसे पता है अपने बॉस को कैसे खुश रखना है. Next is I was taken in by his oily tongue. I was taken in by his oily tongue or oily words. मैं उसकी मीठी मीठी बातों में आ गया या आ गई. This way you can use it in your daily life. Next one is off and on. Off and on means now and then, at intervals. मतलब कभी कभी, यदा कदा, कभी कभी, not always. That is off and on. For example, I'm not a cricket fan. I watch it off and on. मैं क्रिकेट की फैन नहीं हूँ, लेकिन कभी कभी देखती हूँ. Okay? I watch it off and on. Next is we visit our farmhouse off and on. हम अपने फार्म हाउस में कभी कभी जाते हैं. Not always, but sometime. Okay? At intervals. Once for all. Once for all means finally, हमेशा के लिए. I want to settle this dispute today once for all. ये जो झगड़ा है मैं आज हमेशा के लिए खत्म कर देना चाहता हूँ या कर देना चाहती हूँ. This way you can use. Next one is the neighboring country resolved their boundary issues once for all. So the neighboring countries resolved the boundary issues, जो भी उनकी बाउंड्री के जो झगड़े थे वो हमेशा के लिए खत्म कर दिए. ठीक है. Next, to play truant. To play truant means to stay away from class. Class attend नहीं करना. That is to play truant. Those students who play truant don't perform well in exam. जो बच्चे क्लास से भागे रहते हैं या क्लास नहीं अटेंड करते हैं, कभी भी एग्जाम में अच्छे से परफॉर्म नहीं करते. They don't fare well in exam. Rohan was so upset that he decided to play truant after the second period. So Rohan was very upset. किसी बात से वो नाराज था, बहुत ही अपसेट था, तो उसने फर्स्ट पीरियड के बाद he played truant. गायब हो गया या he bunked. He stayed away from class. Out of gear. Out of gear means out of order, out of control. For example, the world economy is out of gear due to pandemic restrictions. World economy is out of control due to pandemic restrictions. Another example is the ecosystem is out of gear due to human greed, isn't it? The ecosystem is also out of control due to human greed. Next is pave the way. Pave the way means lead to. For example, it is hard work that paves the way to success. It is only hard work that leads to success. Another is it is Neeraj's firm determination, regular practice, and strong willpower that paves the way to win a gold medal in Olympic Games. So this way we can use pave the way. And that's all for today. I hope you liked it and you will use in your day-to-day life. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.